Definitely got to work on the movement. Alright guys, welcome back to another commentary. So this was a primarily shoulder based workout. We started off with a little warm up for the shoulders, some push presses. The whole workout was focused on working those shoulders. For me, the push presses, shoulder presses, anything strict like that has been a big emphasis of mine. If you guys have seen the past videos lately, I'm trying to progress with the push jerk and split jerk. And I figured it's just like anything else, you just got to practice it every single day. Whenever I had a terrible squat and I didn't really have very much leg strength because I didn't do legs for a good maybe 6 months following summer after senior year up until like December, I decided to go on a squat every day cycle, and my back squat shot up, and I'm talking like I couldn't back squat 135, it shot up to like 275. Crazy. All right, so this is going to be my first set of 3. I've done 10, 8, 5, so this is going to be first set of 3 for the 5 working sets. But yeah, so decided to take the same approach to this. Just like anything else, you know, like if you want to get lean, obviously you got to eat clean, train mean every single day. No, but for real, you got to eat clean and train mean every single day. Like you got to go hard in your workouts. You got to make sure your nutrition's on point, and obviously you'll get the results. You'll get lean, or you'll get to where you want to go. It's just a matter of consistency, and that's how it's going to be with this movement. Just staying consistent, practicing it every single day, getting all the training cues that I can. I didn't feel crazy heavy, but definitely got to work on the movement and just progressing every single day. So that's why I'm doing it before my workouts or after my workouts. And yeah, that's the approach I've been taking. So this, I worked up to 135 here for these push presses. I think this is the heaviest I've ever gone with like any sort of push press movement. I did get a cue on going a little bit wider with my grip. It definitely helped out a lot in terms of being close. Like I said, just being new to something, you definitely have to be coachable. Me personally, I take all the critiques that I can get. So just got some cues on the push press. Rather than trying to front rack it in, you know, kind of like the jerk position, I'm gonna be doing more of like the strict shoulder press type of setup, and then doing the push press. So that was 135. I'll go for another set of 3 and call it good for these. But yeah, this was the heaviest I went for these push presses, and honestly, I'm pretty happy with that 135. I've never really done any sort of like barbell press, even during like, you know, the bodybuilding days. That's the type of training I mainly did. So I was pretty happy with that. And obviously just getting out of my comfort zone, doing some new movements, practicing, not being, you know, scared to, you know, look dumb or anything. I'm embracing the fact that I'm a beginner. Obviously I'm not starting from scratch, but still I feel like a newbie. It's good, man. I'm enjoying it. Loving the daily progress and setting new goals and hitting little milestones and that sort of thing. We moved on into a seated dumbbell press. I believe it was, I don't know, anywhere between 7 to 10 reps. And then a single arm dumbbell press. Here, I got coached on bringing in your shoulder, because the way I was doing it here causes some shoulder impingements and cause some shoulder injuries. And honestly, it's not really practical for real life. So I do appreciate the coach coming over and telling me like, hey, do it this way. And he also explained why. He wasn't just like, hey man, like you're doing it wrong. So switched it up, and honestly it felt a lot better that way. And honestly, this will carry over into other lifts as well, like for the push presses, you know, split jerks, that sort of thing. And it makes sense if you think about it. If you're trying to push someone or push a door open, or, you know, push a heavy object, you would push like that from in between your chest. So that was a good one. I started doing these also during my functional workouts on an incline bench. These are tough, man. You have to really stay tight and keep your core braced. So getting some cues there. Obviously, what I'm used to doing is like shoulder pressing like this, or bench pressing like this out there. But I guess in here, you don't really do that, because that's, you know, you get some shoulder impingements in there. So what he said to do is just basically bring everything in. So the presses are going to be in, and then same on the bench. So I have done a little bit of those in the past, last year, like right around September, October, whenever I was doing that program. That's whenever I started doing those a lot more. But It's good to see these in here and actually know why we're doing those and the reason behind that setup in that form. That's my first set, and gonna go into these 4 or 5 sets. I'm doing the seated shoulder press with 30s and the bench with 40. So get into the second set. But yeah, did a few sets of those. What really helps here is keeping your core braced, staying tight, and that'll help you keep your balance. Sitting down is way harder than seated or standing or anything like that. Obviously, you don't really use any momentum. It's all shoulders. I believe I was doing 35s here. And then for the dumbbell here, for the chest press, I was doing a 40-pound dumbbell. And I was just doing them back-to-back, maybe 10 to 15 seconds rest. Those seated shoulder presses are burners, man. Like, my shoulders were fried by the end. There is other exercises I like doing, like the barbell Z press, that sort of thing. That might be also a name for those, the seated shoulder presses. There is like the Z press where you're sitting on the ground and then you're pressing. It's a game changer, man. If you've never done those, give them a go. Even if you're just, a bodybuilder, a person into like physique or that sort of thing, give those a go, man. Just sit on the floor, either with a barbell or dumbbells, and just shoulder press it, man. Way harder. Your shoulders are freaking burning. But yeah, man, this workout was just nice and easy. Well, not nice and easy. It was mainly strength-based, working on the shoulders. Go ahead and give it a go. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. If you're new here, just started CrossFit, decided to document my CrossFit journey. So everyone, welcome aboard. Follow me over on Instagram, shots_G. Let me know that you came from here, from YouTube. And yeah, the final exercise here was just a shoulder front raise with a plate. I was using a 45-pound plate, and I believe it was 30 plate raises. So I just tried to go unbroken. I can't really remember if I did or not. But after that was just me working on some split jerks. Obviously, still got a lot of work to do. That's why we're doing it every single day. But here and there, just seeing little improvements. Super happy with that. All right, so that's going to do it for this workout. What you saw there was the bench, single arm bench. A big thing that helped me was just bracing my core and just staying tight. That's definitely going to help you keep that balance on those. After that was the 30 plate raises. I did them with 25 pounds, went through unbroken. I think I took like a 3-second rest before my last 10 and just cranked them out. Got them all done. Now I'm going to practice my push presses and split jerks. So see you guys in a little bit. And here I moved on into the split jerks, just practicing them. Looking back at these footage, got a lot of room for improvement. Obviously my back foot's coming way too far back and my front foot's barely going forward. But hey, man, just, getting those reps in, just trying to progress every single day. Decided I'd show you guys, decided that I was going to do these every day. And, it's kind of like a way for me to stay accountable. This angle also shows it, just, too far back, front foot not going too far forward. But yeah, that did it for this workout, man. Another CrossFit session in the books, man. Let's go. Breakfast Club, crave the grind. Let's get it. Alright, that's going to do it for those. The last set of split jerks I was really happy with, just because I was dipping low, right whenever I was supposed to. My feet planted, well, at least I thought. I'm going to look back at this and probably be like, damn. But felt good. I'm happy with those. Overall, it's a good workout. I'm going to go home. It's a rainy day today, so might do some cardio inside and then post-workout meal and edit. So thanks for tuning in, man. Thanks for, the few people that watch these. Like I said, trying to get at least 2 of these out a week. Head over to my Instagram, shots_G. Follow me there. Let me know you came from here. And I'll see you guys in the next clip. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Check this out, man. Rainy day vibes, baby. Let's go. Boom, I'm back. So here's the post-workout meal. Egg whites, spinach, Frank's Red Hot, bowl of oats, looking thick. But yeah, gonna crush this. It is a rainy day outside, kind of gloomy and stuff, so I kind of just want to chill out. I'm gonna go ahead and read a good book, do some editing, and then go to work later tonight. But it's another CrossFit session in the books, man. My shoulders are feeling toast, just practicing. I was editing a video last night, which was CrossFit vlog number 8, and man, I can already see improvement, but definitely a long way to go. If you're on the verge of trying CrossFit, or you're like, CrossFit this, CrossFit that, Give it a go. I highly urge you. First couple workouts are going to kill you. You're going to question yourself, why the hell am I doing this? Why am I voluntarily doing this? But you're going to like it. Give it a few goes, maybe 3 to 4 sessions, and you'll start to like it. For me, I'm just loving the process of learning these new movements. It's super hard, and I want to be able to, move well, and I want to look good, so that's why I'm doing it. That's why you should do it too. Hop in there, drop a comment below, let me know you're going to try it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next clip.